our electoral roll healthy and error-free.
What are the documents needed to prove that when somebody comes for SIR?
Basically, there will be the enumeration phase. So in the enumeration phase, the house listing operation, no additional document will be required. But there are the 4 categories of the voters. If we see, electors whose names are registered in the voter list of 2005. So such electors are required to upload, submit only the relevant part of the extract of that year's voter list along with the enumeration form. And another category whose names are not found in the 2005 voter list and who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So such electors are required to upload, submit only self document along with the enumeration form. One of the self document, there are the 11 such document already the list been provided by Election Commission of India. So the other category will be the electors who were born between 1st July 1987 and December 2nd December 2004, and whose mother and father's name is not registered in that voter list. So such electors are required to upload, submit the self document and document of either their mother or father along with the enumeration form. And another category, the electors who were born after the December 2004 and whose mothers and father's name are not registered in that year's voter list. Such electors are required to upload, submit the self document, mother document and father document along with the enumeration form. So all the voter list is already uploaded and it is in the public domain as on the 1/1/2005. So and the mapping exercise also in, compared to present updated electoral roll is being taken up with the previous one, and more than 68% mapping exercise already completed in the state. So around 16 lakh 14,000 voters out of 23 lakh 44,000 already been mapped with the previous SIR our e-roll, and remaining mapping exercise could not find. Then all the necessary document and preparatory work being taken up.
So you mentioned